Hi, and welcome back to this full discovery of the investment flow on Evergon white label marketplace. In this video, we're going to talk about compliance, one of the key aspects that can make or break businesses, especially on the tokenization markets. So how does it work? How do you get a user or an investor to get verified, to have a proof that their identity is not contributing to money laundering before they actually invest? Evergon and this white label marketplace offers an embedded version of Compilot, which is an anti-money laundering tool that is also part of the Nexera product suite. And today I'm going to walk you through the setup and the use of this KYC tool that is called Compilot through Evergon. Let's go. As you can see here, I am logged in as an administrator and I'm on the dashboard of my white label marketplace. And if I go to the settings of the white label here specifically, I can see that there is nothing configured here in terms of gating, right? Is there any gate that a user has to go through before accessing a sale or fraction? No KYC workflow, no KYB workflow, so we will dig into this, but this is where we want to land, right? We want to arrive to a point where this user here has to get verified before they invest into any sale. So let's set that up. I'm going to go to the settings of my project at the project level, to the compliance, and I'm going to create a new instance. I'm going to paste here my Compilot API key. And now that I have this instance ready to be used, I'm going to set up some workflows. Let's manage those workflows here. I'm going to add a first one, which I will call the KYC demo. Okay. And the type of this workflow is a KYC. Now I'm going to go to Compilot, to the workflows, and I'm going to get the ID of this KYC. I'm going to paste it here and create a first workflow. I'm going to add a new one, which I will call KYB demo. I will set that to KYB, and I'm going same to go to Compilot, workflows, go to the KYB, copy the idea, and paste it here. Now I have created a workflow. So KYC, know your customer, and KYB, know your business. People who want to invest on Evergon can be individual persons, but they can also represent a business. If you want to invest as a business, you can also get verified through this KYB process. Here we go. We have 3 workflows ready to be used here. Let's plug them to the marketplace. We will, for this demo, only play with the KYC and the KYB. Let me show you that. In the marketplace, in the settings here, I'm going to go to the gating options and plug the workflows all together. Just have to refresh the page so that they can appear. And here we go, KYC demo for the KYC workflow, and the KYB workflow will be KYB demo. Let's have a little stop here. If I open a new tab here, I haven't saved yet the changes here, right? But if I go to the white label here, I have never verified this wallet. As soon as I'm going to save these changes, the white label is going to understand that it has to provide a way for users to get verified so that they can use the platform. And to get verified, they will have to go through these workflows. I'm saving the changes. And now if I refresh the page here, I see this button appear, the get verified process. If I don't complete this verification process, I will not be able to go through the gate and I will not be able to purchase a fraction, for example, to participate to a sale or to a fundraise. Let's get verified. I think that this profile is a business. So I will walk you through the business verification process that also contains the individual verification process, because in the end, a business is composed with individuals. So let's click on get verified and hop onto Compilot. Company verification. Let's start. This is an entire widget provided by Compilot. So this is entirely test data. I'm going to put here 1, 2, 3, 4 website company.com, 1 crypto street 0101,000 token land tax ID 1, 2, 3, 4. Postal address, 1 crypto street, company email. Let's put my email. And here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. First, I'm going to upload the certificate of incorporation. Don't worry if you're scared by the names of these documents that you would have to upload as an individual. You don't have to upload this. And if you own your own business, you would know how to find these documents. So let's find that PDF file. Here I'm going to upload another PDF file rather randomly, right? It's just this for the sake of the demonstration doesn't matter the type of document that I'm uploading here, but they actually do matter on a real white label, right? So you have to upload the real documents. And now I'm going through the KYC process, which is that as an individual, I have to identify myself as being part of this company, right? So choose the UBO's position within the company. Let's say that I am the director of the company. My name is Tristan. Tristan, last name. Nominal name, 1. I'm very old. Place of birth and crypto land as well. And that's pretty much it. I'm going to click on next, on add participant, and on next. And we will see here, yes, I'm skipping that, and I'm submitting here the company details that is called company, registration number 1234, and there is one UBO in there, which is Tristan last name. Let's head over to Compilot here, to the dashboard, to the customers, head over the companies, and this is it. I can find here that there is one new company called company, which is one crypto streets, registration number 1234. KYB data, there is one UBO here, but has no status yet because I have not completed the process. Let's do it now. Open verification link. So the first step was to inform Compilot that there is one UBO that is a director. And the second part of the process consists into verifying this UBO. So this is what I'm doing now. I am verifying myself. Again, just uploading dummy pictures that actually don't matter. But on a real production environment, you would have to upload, of course, the user would have to upload, of course, real pictures of their ID and such. Next. This is the moment when you take a little picture of your face, move around, and we will see that in the KYB process, the verification of the business, now Tristan will probably appear at some point as verified, unless I have to do it manually here because it's a test environment. The review is marked in progress. Now if I go into customers, Tristan last name is active. So I think it's now completed. And yes, it's all marked as a success. The business and the UBO have been both verified. And we can confirm that here in the companies. If I go to the company here, the company is active. And we can also see that there is one UBO here that has been verified. Everything is all clear. So now the wallet that I was using in the first place here, as an investor, most likely here, I have this wallet that is now verified. Thanks to Compilot, we now know that this wallet is tied to this company, and this company is tied to this individual as a director, right? Not only we know the identity, but Compilot automatically runs some audits on the wallet activity of the user, among other things, to be sure that also the nationality of the UBO is not any sensitive, excluded nationality from any sensitive lists. Same for the company, and so on. So now that my profile is verified, I could theoretically participate to a new sale if there was a new sale coming up here that was token gated I could participate to it. That's it for today. This is how you plug a new Compilot instance onto a brand new marketplace with two workflows, KYC, KYB. They're not plugged together. And that's a wrap for this demonstration. Thank you so much for watching.